She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood. Aku ini adalah boy band, boy band, boy band. Memang banyak yang bilang aku tampan rupawan, bentuk tubuhku kekal tegap berisi dengan tatapan tajam penuh percaya diri, bikin wanita tergila-gila mabuk. Aku pandai bernyanyi, apalagi menari, dan salsa sambal lulus dengan sempurna. Tambah gaya trendy, pasti yang masa kini. Akulah lelaki, idola sejati. Tapi jangan bilang mama, oh takut nanti dia bisa marah-marah. Kau tahu, aku ini adalah boy band, boy band, boy band. Tapi jangan bilang mama, oh takut
What
nanti
is
dia
previous to
bisa
audiobooks?
marah-marah.
About that,
Aku ini adalah boy
I
band,
had to
boy band, boy band.
but I didn't have no time to read them all. So solution is to I could spend my jogging time, exercising times for listening to the audiobooks. Let's take a look at how it works. You can upload the PDF file onto your Google Cloud storage so that it could be automatically converted into multiple MP3 files. And you can download those MP3 files and listen to the audiobook. How it works. I have used CRUD function. So the CRUD functions work. This function will be triggered whenever, and then pass the bucket and the file blob to the next PDF OCR phase. And also I have used this command, gcrud functions deploy command, for registering this function as a CRUD. It will start the OCR with Vision API, and then it will start using the automated tables for the feature extraction and layout classification. Lastly, it will use the text-to-speech API for speech synthesis. Let's take a look at how the OCR with Vision API works. Vision API is the machine learning API with the pre-trained API. So you don't have to have the machine learning expertise to use that. all you have to do is to just upload the image data to the API so that you'll be getting the result within a couple of seconds. In this case, I have used the OCR feature or text detection feature of the API. So like the screen you are seeing now, you'll be able to get the multiple paragraphs detected in a single PDF page. But there are some parts, the numbers of the labels on each page repeated. Listen to the diagram with those or garbage text. I have used the automated tables for the layout classifications. What is automated tables? Automated tables allows you to build your custom machine learning model for the tabular data, such as the Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheet or the tables in the databases. It does the defining the schema and data types of each features, and it automatically analyzes your input features, and also it tries to automate a major part of the training, like feature engineering or the model selection and hyperparameter tuning. In these demonstrations, I have used the features like this. So these are the features you got from the OCR result. I have used the text of each paragraph, and I also used the number of the characters or the width and height of each paragraph. That gives you an area of the paragraph. That means you can also get the character size of each character. And also you can also use the features like position, X position, Y position of each paragraph, and aspect, layout, and so on. So I have put all of those features into the AutoML tables to train a model that predicts the target label, whether each paragraph should be on body text or header or maybe caption label or the other garbage text. Let's take a look at how the automated table works. So at first, you can define a data set and create a data set by uploading some CSV file or specifying some files on the Google Cloud Storage or tables on BigQuery. So you can easily upload the training data set. Once you have created the data set, it will show the detected features in each data. So it tries to detect the data types of each column, like a numeric or categorical or string and so on. So you can check, and if needed, you can correct that. And also you can specify the what column or what features you want to use for training the model, and start training the model. That would usually take like 4 to 6 hours. Then you'll be getting the result like this one. So this is the evaluation result of the trained model with the automated tables. As you can see, my model was able to get the 95% precision rate and 94% recall rate, which is not so bad. So I thought this could be useful for building the tool. And also with the report, you can also get the other information like confusion matrix, where you can take a look at how the prediction for each labels would perform. For example, for detecting body text, the model works at 95% accuracy. And for removing the garbage text, it works at 97% accuracy. Also, the report includes the feature importance. With that, you can learn what are the important features the model is using. In this case, the model is using the text itself as the most important features, because the automated tables has the natural language processing features inside it. So it tries to understand the difference between each paragraph, whether this paragraph contains multiple natural languages with multiple sentences, or this paragraph only contains like a numerical symbols or just URLs and so on. Lastly, I have used the text-to-speech API to synthesize the speech. Again, this is another pre-trained model-based the speech synthesis API. So you don't have to have any expertise on using this. All you have to do is to call the REST API and pass the text string to the API. So you'll be getting the generated audio. In these demonstrations, I have added some SSML tags for the speech synthesis, so that the speech synthesis tries to add short breaks between the paragraph, or the having more breaks between the captions and headers. Lastly, I have used the Google Apps script to build the annotation tool. Because it took so long time for me to prepare for the training data, so I have used the Google Sheet for preparing the training data like this one. So for each paragraph you are seeing on the sheet, you have to manually put the labels on there, whether it's body text, it's a header of the section, or it's on the caption of the label, and or the other garbage text and so on. And it took like 2 or 3 hours per book. Instead, I have spent some time on building an annotation tool with Google Apps script. So the annotation tool shows each paragraph as the rectangle with color. So each color represents the label of the paragraph, whether it's a body text, or the section header, or caption diagram caption, or maybe other garbage text. And it uses the pre-trained model with the automated tables. So in early phases of the annotation process, it provides it makes many mistakes. So by looking at those colors, the human operators can easily update the labels. So if you keep using this annotation tool and keep training the model again and again, you'll be getting the much higher accuracy. The end result is 10 times higher productivity. Now I'm able to annotate on a single book within 15 minutes compared to the 2 or 3 hours per book. If you are interested in those products, please take a look at the product pages of these products, and also you can find my sample code on this repository. Thank you so much.
This is how I would learn to code if I could start over. For context, I work at Microsoft, but before that, I did 6 internships across 3 countries. So yeah, I've done a line or two in my life. Wait, not like that. To tell you what I would change, I first need to tell you what I did. I started coding in grade 11. Well, sorta. We started with this language called Scratch.
Hi everyone.
Tapi jangan bilang mama, aku takut nanti dia bisa marah-marah. Kalau
stop until I make you mine. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine. Until I make you mine. Put your hand in mine. You know that I want to be with you all the time. Oh darling, darling, baby, you're so very fine. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine. Until I make you.
In a minute, Mom! Hello?
Where are you?
You're
What?
missing it.
Get down here right now.
Where are you?
We're in You have 5 minutes.
Get down here right now.
Okay.
Hurry up.
This ain't a song for the broken hearted. A silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Franklin said, I did it my way. I just wanna live my life. It's my life. This is for ones who stood their ground. For Tommy and Gina, who never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Looking, even looking, gotta make your own breaks. It's my life, and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankenstein, I did it my way. I just wanna live my life. 'Cause it's my life. Better stand tall when they're holding you out. Don't bend, don't break, baby, don't back down. It's my life, and it's now or never. 'Cause I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live my life. It's my life. And it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live my life.
Where have you been?
You wouldn't believe it.
It's my life. Masa mula baru bercinta. Mulut manis semacam gula. Gunung tinggi sanggup didaki. Lautan api sanggup renai.
Tak ada lagi seorang pun yang mengganggu kau bernyanyi. Dia malu, ku hanya sanggup mengingat jelas bayangmu yang masih melekat dalam kecewa. Ku hanya mampu katakan tetaplah tersenyum, karena itu jalan yang telah kau pilih. Terbanglah, terbanglah bersama pelangi. Banyak sudah kisah yang tertinggal, kau buat jadi satu kenangan. Seorang sahabat pergi tanpa tangis sarungi mimpi. Selamat jalan kawan, cepatlah berlabuh. Mimpimu kini telah kau dapati. Tak ada lagi seorang pun yang mengganggu kau bernyanyi. Semoga dalam damaimu kau mengerti arti gelapnya jalan yang kau daki. Hingga indahnya bias mentari tak lagi kau nikmati. Selamat jalan kawan, cepatlah berlabuh. Mimpimu kini telah kau dapati. Tak ada lagi seorang pun yang mengganggu kau bernyanyi.
Before the story begins, is it such a sin for me to take what's mine until the end of time? We were more than friends before the story ends, and I will take what's mine, create what God would never design. Our love had been so strong for far too long. I was weak with fear that something would go wrong before the possibilities came true. I took on possibility from you. I almost laughed myself to tears, conjuring her deepest fears. Must have sound of 50 fucking times. I can't believe it. Ripped her heart out right before her eyes. I was over easy. Eat it, eat it, eat it. She was never this good in bed, even when she was sleeping. Now she's just so perfect. I've never been quite so fucking peeping. It goes on and on and on. I can keep you looking young and preserve forever with a fountain spray on your youth whenever. 'Cause I really always knew that my little crime would be cold. That's why I got a heater for your thighs. And I know it's not your time, but bye-bye. And a word to the wise, when the fire dies, you think it's over, but it's just begun. but baby, don't cry. Possibilities I never considered are occurring the likes of which I never heard. Now an angry soul